Top 7 drinks that help diabetics sleep easily. Struggling to fall asleep with diabetes? You're not alone. But what if the answer to a peaceful night's sleep is something you're already drinking? Managing diabetes can feel like a full-time job, but it doesn't have to keep you up all night. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 7 drinks that can actually help diabetics sleep better, without the usual tossing and turning. If you're tired of counting sheep and want to wake up feeling rested and refreshed, stay tuned because these drinks might just be the game changer you need. Number 1. Lemon water. Have you ever wondered if a simple drink could actually help you sleep better and manage your blood sugar? Let me introduce you to lemon water, a refreshing, easy-to-make drink that packs a punch when it comes to supporting both your sleep and overall health. Lemon water is loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress in the body. For diabetics, this is important, as oxidative stress can lead to inflammation and insulin resistance. By lowering oxidative stress, lemon water helps your body function more efficiently, making it easier to manage your blood sugar levels. Speaking of blood sugar, lemon water can also help regulate your levels, preventing those dreaded spikes after meals. No more energy crashes or uncomfortable spikes at night. When you drink lemon water regularly, it can help keep your blood sugar stable throughout the day, making it easier to sleep at night. But that's not all. This drink does wonders for your immune system too. With all its antioxidants, lemon water gives your body a boost, especially important for diabetics who often face a weakened immune system. Regularly drinking lemon water strengthens your defenses, so you're less likely to get sick, leaving you feeling energized and ready to tackle your day and sleep soundly at night. Making lemon water is as easy as squeezing half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm water. Drink it first thing in the morning to kickstart your day, or enjoy it before bed to unwind and relax. It doesn't require any fancy ingredients or complex steps, just a fresh lemon and warm water to start feeling the benefits. So, why not make lemon water a part of your daily routine? With its antioxidants, blood sugar regulation, and immune-boosting properties, it's a simple, effective, and refreshing way to improve both your sleep and overall well-being. Number 2. Cinnamon tea. What if I told you that something as simple as a warm cup of cinnamon tea could help you sleep better and manage your blood sugar naturally? Sounds too good to be true? Let's dive in and explore how this aromatic drink can make a big difference for diabetics. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress in your body. Why is this important? Because oxidative stress can lead to serious complications like nerve damage and poor circulation, issues that diabetics often face. By drinking cinnamon tea, you're not just enjoying a cozy beverage, you're also protecting your cells and reducing the risk of long-term complications. But wait, there's more. One of the most powerful benefits of cinnamon tea is its ability to lower blood sugar levels, especially after meals. Research shows that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use insulin more efficiently. This helps keep your blood sugar stable throughout the day, no more spikes or crashes, and when your blood sugar levels are steady, your sleep improves as well. No more waking up in the middle of the night from sudden blood sugar dips or spikes. For diabetics, long-term blood sugar control is key to preventing complications. By making cinnamon tea a regular part of your routine, you're helping to maintain steady blood sugar levels, which not only supports your health, but also keeps your energy levels stable. This means less fatigue during the day and a better night's rest. Making cinnamon tea is incredibly easy. Simply place a cinnamon stick in a cup of hot water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. If you prefer ground cinnamon, just stir a teaspoon into hot water. For extra flavor, add a little honey or lemon. That's it. No complex ingredients or steps required. Enjoy your cinnamon tea as a relaxing pre-bedtime ritual. The soothing properties of cinnamon, combined with its ability to regulate blood sugar and improve insulin function, make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their sleep and health naturally. Number 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is not just for relaxation. It's packed with benefits, especially for people managing diabetes. Let's explore how chamomile tea can help improve your sleep and blood sugar control. Chamomile tea can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for diabetics. Studies show that it can lower blood sugar, reducing the spikes that disrupt your sleep. By drinking chamomile tea, you're supporting your body's ability to maintain more stable blood sugar, helping you avoid uncomfortable nighttime fluctuations. Chamomile tea also improves insulin sensitivity, which is vital for diabetes management. Insulin resistance can make it harder for your body to control blood sugar. Regular consumption of chamomile tea has been shown to help improve how your body responds to insulin, promoting better blood sugar regulation over time. Another benefit of chamomile is its ability to reduce stress, which can lead to better sleep. Stress increases cortisol, a hormone that can raise blood sugar. Chamomile tea helps lower cortisol levels, allowing you to unwind and relax. By reducing stress, chamomile prevents late-night blood sugar spikes and supports peaceful sleep. In addition, chamomile has a calming effect on the nervous system, which helps you fall asleep more easily. A good night's sleep is essential for blood sugar regulation, as it helps balance your hormones and metabolism. For diabetics, this means better blood sugar control the following day. Making chamomile tea is easy. Simply steep a tea bag or dried flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add honey or lemon for extra flavor, but it's soothing on its own too. Incorporating chamomile tea into your nightly routine can help improve sleep, reduce stress, and support blood sugar regulation. It's a simple, natural way to boost your health and well-being, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Number 4. Kefir. If you haven't tried kefir yet, it's time to add this fermented drink to your routine. Packed with probiotics, kefir supports gut health and plays a key role in stabilizing blood sugar, especially for diabetics. Why is kefir so beneficial? First, the probiotics in kefir promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for digestion and nutrient absorption. A balanced gut helps your body process sugar more effectively, keeping blood sugar levels stable. This is especially important for people with diabetes, as proper digestion can reduce blood sugar spikes. But the benefits don't stop there. Studies have shown that kefir can lower fasting blood sugar by up to 13.8% and HbA1c by 15.9%. For diabetics, keeping blood sugar in check is vital. Kefir helps stabilize glucose levels and reduce spikes, which can improve overall diabetes management. How does it work? The probiotics in kefir help enhance insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can use insulin more efficiently. This helps maintain stable blood sugar levels over time, lowering the risk of long-term complications like nerve damage. Kefir also supports the immune system. A healthy gut is crucial for immune function, and since diabetics can have a slightly weakened immune response, kefir provides additional support. By boosting your immune system, kefir helps keep you healthy and reduces the risk of infections. In addition to these benefits, kefir can improve sleep. Since gut health is tied to sleep quality, drinking kefir can help you relax and rest better, contributing to overall well-being and better blood sugar control. Making kefir is easy. You can buy it at most grocery stores or make it at home by fermenting kefir grains in milk or a dairy-free alternative for 24 to 48 hours. It's a simple, nutritious drink that can fit into your daily routine. By adding kefir to your diet, you're supporting gut health, stabilizing blood sugar, and improving sleep. Essential factors for managing diabetes. If you're looking for a drink that can do it all, kefir should be on your list. Number 5. Almond milk. Almond milk is a delicious and low-carb alternative to dairy, making it a smart choice for managing blood sugar levels, especially at night. Packed with healthy fats and essential nutrients, it helps prevent spikes while providing a creamy texture and rich flavor. This makes almond milk an excellent option for people with diabetes who want a healthy and satisfying drink. The versatility of almond milk is evident, as it can easily be incorporated into various recipes such as smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods. This allows people with diabetes to enjoy delicious meals without compromising their health goals. Furthermore, Its lactose-free nature makes almond milk suitable for those who are lactose intolerant or allergic to dairy, offering them a nutritious and tasty dairy alternative. In addition to regulating blood sugar levels, almond milk is rich in essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, calcium, and magnesium. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Calcium is vital for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Meanwhile, magnesium plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including muscle activity and nerve transmission. When choosing almond milk, it's important to select the unsweetened variety to avoid added sugars that could affect blood sugar levels. Adding almond milk to your daily diet not only supports diabetes management, but also enhances your overall health with its rich nutritional content and culinary adaptability. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. If you're tired of blood sugar spikes and restless nights, this common kitchen ingredient might be your secret weapon. Apple cider vinegar isn't just a trendy health hack. It's a game changer for diabetics looking to stabilize their blood sugar and improve sleep quality. Here's why it works. Studies show that apple cider vinegar can lower your A1C levels, which track your blood sugar over time. This means it helps manage blood sugar in the long run, giving you more consistent control. For anyone struggling with fluctuating glucose levels, adding apple cider vinegar to your daily routine could be a simple yet powerful solution. But how exactly does it help? When you drink apple cider vinegar, the acetic acid slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing a rapid sugar spike after meals. This means you're not only reducing those uncomfortable blood sugar highs, but you're also improving your body's response to insulin. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, apple cider vinegar helps regulate blood sugar more effectively, making it a crucial tool for managing diabetes. If you're worried about how to fit this into your routine, don't fret, it's easy. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before or after meals. You can even add a splash of lemon or a teaspoon of honey for extra flavor. Just make sure to dilute it well, as undiluted vinegar can irritate your digestive system and enamel. Apple cider vinegar's benefits go beyond blood sugar control. Its anti-inflammatory properties can improve digestion and balance your body's pH levels, leading to better overall health. Most importantly, by stabilizing blood sugar, you're less likely to experience those middle-of-the-night spikes, so you can sleep soundly and wake up feeling refreshed. With a simple habit like this, you can take control of your diabetes and enjoy better sleep. So why not give apple cider vinegar a try and see how it can work for you? If you're ready to make a change, start today. Your blood sugar and sleep will thank you. Number 7. Turmeric tea. Struggling with blood sugar spikes and sleepless nights? Try turmeric tea, a simple, powerful drink that can help you manage both. This golden tea isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a natural remedy that's perfect for diabetics. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to regulate blood sugar. By drinking turmeric tea, you're helping reduce this inflammation, improving your body's ability to use insulin and stabilizing your blood sugar. But turmeric tea does more than regulate blood sugar. It also supports heart health. Diabetics face a higher risk of cardiovascular disease, and turmeric's ability to improve blood vessel function can lower this risk, keeping your heart healthy. Turmeric helps lower inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key factors that impact blood sugar. The antioxidants in curcumin protect your cells from damage, while the reduction in inflammation makes it easier for your body to maintain stable glucose levels. Making this tea is easy. Simply simmer water with turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, which helps your body absorb curcumin, and a little honey or lemon to taste. Drink it in the evening, and feel how it helps lower your stress, reduce inflammation, and regulate your blood sugar. Adding turmeric tea to your nightly routine is a simple way to improve both your sleep and blood sugar control. It's a drink that's full of health benefits for diabetics, from stabilizing blood sugar to supporting heart health. So why not give it a try tonight? It's a delicious and natural way to take care of your body while you sleep. Now you know the top 7 drinks that can help diabetics sleep better and manage blood sugar more effectively. From the soothing effects of chamomile tea to the anti-inflammatory power of turmeric, Each of these drinks offers unique benefits that can transform your nighttime routine. By incorporating these drinks into your daily habits, you're not only improving your sleep, but also taking better control of your health. Remember, small changes like these can have a big impact. So give them a try tonight and see how they work for you. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and let us know which drink you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing diabetes naturally. And for even more helpful content, check out the videos linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and sleep well. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.